So let's take a look at Kotlin when expression. So when expression can be used when you have multiple conditions to test out. So we're going to try that in the code. So first thing is to check whether you have Kotlin installed by typing Kotlin C, then dash help. If you can get command line options, that means you have Kotlin properly installed. Okay, in that case you will get commands such as this. Okay, once you do that, you can open text editor and create one file that ends with extension.kt. In my case, as you can see, hello.kt is the file. Okay, now here I'm going to create my main function first. So function main, then args, and here array and string. Okay, so inside this I'm going to create one variable, let's say r, with integer value of 5. Now I'm going to type in when keyword, and within curly brackets I'm going to put out some of the conditions, such as let's say r is less than 0. That condition should output println negative. Okay, so another condition is r equals to 0. That condition should print out 0. Then r greater than 0 should print out positive. Okay, so basically we are just dealing with list of conditions here. For example, r is less than 0, greater than 0, and equals to 0. So depending on the value of r, when we'll evaluate one of these conditions and outputs the respective output. So in my case, it should print positive on command line. So let's take a look at that. Now here I'm going to type in Kotlin C, then hello.kt, then dash include dash runtime, then dash t, then hello.jar. If there are any errors, it should be listed right here. If there are no errors, then it should return with a blank prompt. Then we can run the jar file with Java command. Now as you can see, it returns with blank prompt. So I'm going to type in java-jar and then hello.jar. Okay, and it returns with positive output. So that means when a keyword is going to check some of the conditions listed inside and can be used to output respective conditions output. So this was a short demo on how to make use of when expression.